What is the difference between affect and effect? Affect. Affect is primarily used as a verb. It means to produce a change or influence something. It is often used to indicate how one thing can impact or alter another. For example, the rain can affect outdoor plans. Here, the rain has an influence on outdoor plans. Lack of sleep can affect your performance at work. The lack of sleep influences or changes your work performance. Effect. Effect is mainly used as a noun. It refers to the result, consequence, or outcome of an action, event, or influence. It is used to describe the tangible or intangible outcome of a particular cause. For example, the new company policy had a positive effect on employee morale. Here, the outcome or result of the policy was an improvement in employee morale. The side effects of the medication can be unpleasant. Here, side effects refer to the results or consequences of taking the medication. Conclusion. Affect as the action or the verb. Effect as the result or the noun. Affect is what you do when you influence or impact something, while effect is what happens as a result of that influence or impact. Thank you for watching.